everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another cooking tutorial and it's another easy recipe. Well, actually three, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you so much for the wonderful response on our last video. We never expected it to just do so well. So many of you sent me pictures after you made the dish and I'm telling you, I'm really happy. I think Mom was also pleased, right?
Yeah, thank you very much.
So sweet. Because we've been hearing a lot of your requests, we thought we would show you another recipe that is really easy and it's everyone's favorite, that is dal. We are going to show you three versions of it and trust me when I tell you, it is super simple. So I have asked Mom to take over two of the dals. Okay, she's going to show you, and the other dal I'm going to do it myself with the help of Mom. This is something that I always make, but she'll be here to supervise if I'm doing something right or wrong.
Yes,
Alright, so let's get started without wasting much time. Let's get this recipe rolling.
This dal is very simple and easy to make, which takes less than 10 minutes. Half cup of tuvar dal.
Did you put the
washed tuvar dal? Add 1 cup water, 1 or little more.
So that is 1.5 cup of water.
1.5. And 3 green chilies cut into pieces. Okay. Then a pinch of salt, turmeric, and a pinch of asafoetida,
Hing. Okay.
and salt.
Now put the heat on to medium.
And cook till 3 whistles. While this is cooking, let's do the tempering. Give tadka to the dal. 1 heaped tablespoon of ghee. Add mustard.
So that's a teaspoon of mustard seeds?
Half teaspoon of mustard. 3 dry red chilies broken into pieces.
So 3 to 4 red chilies broken into pieces.
And some curry leaves.
About 8 to 10?
Yeah. With this dal recipe, tempering should be always done with ghee. So now it's perfect. Okay. See? In case after 3 whistles, if it is not cooked, then cook it for further 2 whistles. Okay? The consistency should be like this.
So half cup of tuvar dal can serve how many people?
2.
So if
2
they
people.
have a family of 4,
Then you increase it accordingly. Like instead of half cup, take 1 cup. Add coriander leaves or hara dhania and cook it for 1 more minute, adding little more water. Just a boil. Perfect. Now put off the gas, add the tadka. So now the first dal is done. Easy, simple and delicious. Now on to the second dal. Unlike the other 2 dals, this has got more ingredients and we are cooking with MUNG dal. This dal is also cooked at 1 go. I am cooking for 2, but you can adjust according to your family members. So first, again a tablespoon of ghee and a tablespoon of oil.
This is so that the ghee doesn't burn, right?
Yeah, right. Add the garlic. The ginger and the onions. Saute it till it turns light brown.
Now we added 3 green chilies into it.
And
Add
5 dry red chilies and half teaspoon of jeera. Now add 1 big tomato chopped. Saute till it becomes very soft. Add a pinch of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Salt to taste. Add moong dal, quarter cup of moong dal, 1.5 cup of water, close the lid and pressure cook for 5 whistles. Let me open the cooker. Yeah, the dal is cooked. Add the coriander leaves.
So you switched the heat off.
Yeah. Now this dal is done.
So guys, this is another dal recipe that is again super simple, delicious. A little more ingredients than the other two, but it just doesn't deny you that flavor and that taste factor. Alright, so this is kumbaya. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Kumbaya, okay, that means white pumpkin or ash god. Alright, so we are making a dal out of this beautiful vegetable that is full of goodness. And right now we are going to make dal just with this vegetable and few ingredients. Alright, so what we have done is we have peeled it off and we have chopped it into pieces right here. As you can see, it's cut nicely. And it has got some green chilies, and this is it. And the dal that we are using is tuvar dal, and we have taken
Half cup.
yeah, we're taking half cup of it basically. And every time someone is unwell in the house or GHEE wants a quick home cooked meal, I make this, okay, because it takes literally 5 minutes if you've got the ingredients all right and a pressure cooker. So I'm going to switch on the heat to medium. And the best part about this dal is there's no oil, not a bit, okay? Just towards the end, you add a little bit of coconut oil, so it is extremely, extremely healthy. So in this pressure cooker, I'm just going to add half a cup of tuvar dal that I have washed and soaked. While that is in the pan, I'm just going to reduce the heat right now. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. Stir this. And now we are going to just add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. While this is boiling away, we are going to add the white pumpkin or ash god. So it's got some green chilies. Because we like our dal a little spicy, we have taken about 5 to 6 green chilies, but you can definitely reduce the heat of it according to your heat tolerance. So I'm just going to add that. At this time, we can add salt to taste. And And that's it, you guys. All you need to do is now close the lid and give it about, I would say, around 4 to 5 whistles till it becomes nice, soft and mushy. And after it opens, I'm going to show you the final step. Okay, now 5 whistles are over, so we are just going to open this up, the pressure cooker. Perfect. All right, if you feel that you need to, it has to be this mushy, as Mummy must have explained in all the other dal. This is just perfect consistency. All right, and just stir it a little bit.
Perfect.
And then I'm just taking this KTC 100% pure coconut oil. I'm taking a teaspoon of it.
Yeah.
Teaspoon of it, and all you need to do is add that to the dal, let it melt in the heat, and just break, crush, and add a few curry leaf. And this dal is ready to be served, and I can't even tell you how delicious this dal is. It's so super simple, something that I think this is my brother's favorite. This is also Giri's favorite, and this was something Dad used to make for Dad as well. Yeah, it's just a family favorite, you guys. Very simple with steamed rice. You can fry your brinjal with that onion paste that we made, or you can make a potato bhaji with that onion paste, you know, on the side, that same potato fry. Or if you're a seafood lover, we love to have this with steamed rice and some fried fish, okay? So that is the end of 3 very beautiful, humble, simple dal that is going to blow your mind with flavors, with taste, and at the same time with its simplicity and how easy it is to make. Thank you so much, Ma. Again, I can't thank her enough for teaching all of you guys. I mean, she is the most caring, most wonderful soul out there who always wants people to eat well, who always wants to serve people, and always wants people to make home cooked meals. She prefers that than, you know, people ordering from outside. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Let us know in the comment section what you think of this video, what you'd like to see next. All right, see you. Bye.